Hey everybody. Okay, so today's video is a shaving video, all about shaving, all about whatever. So anyways, I'm going to show you how I shave. So I shave with a couple of different razors, because I don't know. So I shave with this old straight razor, or safety blade, and it comes open like that, and you put the razor in here, and I'll do that in a second for you guys. So this one, I also shave with this Gillette Swift Ball razor. I don't know. It like wiggles, so it curves your face, and it also like vibrates. To help whisk hair away. I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, so I do use both of them. Not at the same time, but today I'm going to use the safety razor. So for the safety razor, sorry, I don't know how long this video is going to be, but anyways, for the safety razor, you need razor blades, and they come in a thing about that big. They're really, really cheap, so that's another reason why I started using the safety razor. So you unpackage it, it's got first layer of paper, then second layer of paper. Sorry, I'm trying to do this so you can see. Oh, don't touch the edges. So you grab it by the middle. These edges aren't sharp, but they are very thin, so just there's that. These are technically a one-time use razor. You can use it a couple of times, but like for either side technically, but they get rusty. The way that you open this, I gotta put the razor down. Okay, the way that you open this is you turn the bottom, and it comes apart. And then you pick up your blade gently. Don't cut yourself, Kyle. Okay, and then you put it in. You see those grooves, sort of. See that? And you just lay it down in there. Okay? And then you close it. And that's it. It does its own thing. It pushes it up the way it needs to be. So you'll notice, if you can see this, this bottom part is just a rounded edge. So when you shave, you have to put it at a 45-degree angle in order for the blade to catch the hairs. So the other thing that I use is old bar of soap and a Badger brush. So how you do that is you get the brush a little wet with warm water. So you get it wet, and then it's like dripping. You don't want that, so you like shake it out. I don't know if you can hear that, sorry. I'm not gonna move my camera. And then you get the brush damp, and then you put it in here, and you just sort of go around. Sorry, I gotta see this. And you'll notice that I only have a little bit of water, so it's just making, you can't even really see the lather very much. So then you do it again. You don't want to add too much water, otherwise it becomes really liquidy and soupy, and then it doesn't do what you want it to do. So you get the brush wet, and again, sort of shake it out, and then do that same process again until you get this foam will start to come up, and you can make it as thick or as thin as you want it. I typically just don't want to stand here all day and do this, so mine's never super duper thick, but you can tell it's sort of getting thicker. It's getting thicker on the brush. We're gonna do that again. Sorry. Alright, there we go. See? Better, better. And the more that you stir it around, the fluffier it's gonna get. Alright, so, sorry I can't really see, but I don't like to do it with my glasses on. So, you just go around and get your face. Okay, then once it's on, you're supposed to go around and do this, because it gets the hairs to not lay down against the surface. It gets them to point out. So that's what you're supposed to do. And you don't want to do it too hard. You don't want to like mash the brush against you, just so that it sort of looks like that. Okay? Then you can put the brush down. I usually just put it in the bottom of the sink, and I'll deal with it later. Then you take your razor and hold it at a 45-degree angle and shave. I don't know if you can hear that, but it definitely cut hairs. See? There's real hairs. Okay. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to do just like essentially other sections of my face with this Gillette razor, just so that you can see how it works. Okay, it obviously gets hairs too, whatever. So, there's that. But it's just your preference. Alright, I'm gonna finish shaving my face and then I'll be back. Okay, so face shaved. Towel it off. Then, aftershave. Okay, so this is what I use. And you want to apply this pretty quickly afterwards. What I do, I just dump some in my hand, spread it around, slap my face. So that's what I'm going to do. It does sting a little bit. It's not too bad. It hurts, like, the less you shave, the more it hurts, I guess, because you're just not used to it, and because it, like, exposes your skin a little bit more, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, so that's what I use. There's also other things that I use, like aftershave lotions, that kind of stuff, aftershave balm. Essentially moisturizes your face. What aftershave does is it really helps close up your pores so that they don't get infected, you don't get ingrown hairs. That's what it's for. It also smells really nice and it stays a long time, so I like it for that sort of stuff. Another thing that I forgot to say is that when you shave, you're supposed to go with the grain of whatever way your hair grows. So what that means is if your hair grows down, you're supposed to shave down. If it grows up, you're supposed to shave up. Another reason why I really like the Safety Blade razor is because it does get a little bit closer shave if you know how to use it right. These razors typically don't. They just kind of go, do whatever. So and usually these men like go against the grain. At least in like the commercials, lots of men's hair, some does grow up this way, but some of them grow down, and so you'll see a lot of men do this, but I was always taught to go with the grain of whatever the way your hair grows. And if you have no idea, then just do it. Aftershave should cure the razor burn and that sort of stuff. So anyways, also I guess one last tip is that if you have like I have a bad scab right there, I'm pretty good about being able to shave over it, not ripping it off, but you just might want to be mindful of those. Like don't lather that spot, remember that it's there or something, and just shave around it. If you forget one spot, nobody will care, but that way you don't like, rip a gash in your face. Okay, so anyways, I hope that was helpful to you. If you want to see more in detail, something else, my next razor that I'm going to buy is going to be the Sweeney Todd ones. So when I get those, I can upload a video of that. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.